you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have goddess provisions for August. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so August goddess provisions just arrived. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we're going to have for the August box. So when you first open it up, that's what it looks like right about there, but the card is always on the bottom. So let's go ahead and dump this out so we can get to the card on the bottom. So there's the card at the bottom. When you remove the card, that is what the artwork looks like on this month's card. And then the monthly mantra is not here. Normally on this side of the card, it'll have the monthly mantra, and then this side will go over the products, and this just goes over the products, and this side talks about their Moon Wisdom Club. So it doesn't look like there's a monthly mantra this month, because it's not on the back either. That's about divine details. So let's just go ahead and dive in and see what we have. So the first thing that we saw right on the top is a green tea of course, green tea and lavender incense. So I'm not even going to open these because lavender is the main one who instantly will give me a migraine. So I'm not even going to smell them. I'm not going to open up the package or anything like that. But this is incense. It says 18 to 20 sticks. What determines if you get 18, 19, or 20? I don't know. But there's 18 to 20 incense in here. I've never seen that before, but alrighty. It says green tea and lavender incense sticks. This smoothing blend promotes relaxation and harmony. Burn it during your healing rituals to remove energy blockages and strengthen spiritual health. Valued for $15. $15 for 18 to 20 incense sticks seems way overpriced to me, but they can call it whatever price they would like, I guess, right? And that is by Goddess Provisions. 18 to 20. I can't get over that. Like, what determines? I don't know. I don't know. This says an incense holder, healing hand. Ooh, if it looks like that, that's going to be really cute. So let's get this opened. This is by Goddess Provisions as well. Ooh, okay. Ooh. So down in here. Ooh, I really wish that I liked brass, coppery, yellow, goldish colors because everything comes in that. This looks really cute though. I like all the different designs that are in there. I just wish it was silver. It does say Goddess Provisions on the back, and it looks like you have 3 holes right there that you can put like 3 different incense in, or if you have like the cones, you could probably just set it on here, I'm going to assume. But there is the incense holder. This one here says Healing Hand Incense Holder. This mango wood holder features a brass plate etched with celestial symbols to call in protection, divine connection, and clarity. Valued for $22. So that's a mango wood, it said. And it's burned in the back, like it's etched in there like their logo. And again, that's valued for $22. So next we have something else in a box. This is also by Goddess Provisions, and this says copper charging plate. That's what the back looks like. It's wrapped up too. So after you open it, this is what it looks like. So it's on a copper plate. I kind of wish this might have been copper too, so they could have matched. That would have been really cool if these matched, or if they were in separate boxes maybe. I don't know. But if that was copper, that would have been perfect because it would have matched. But here is the copper charging plate. This one says, as a conductor, copper moves energy and amplifies thoughts. Use this altar tool to clear your field from anything that's no longer serving and to charge sacred items with your highest intention. Valued for $33. It does have 4 little things to keep, like when you're putting it on it, so it keeps it placed, you know, little feet protectors. And then it has Goddess Provisions logo right down in the center. I really like all of the designs on here. I just, like I said, to me, it would have been so cool if these matched and this was more of a copper with like the same elements on here. I think that would be really neat. But here is the copper charging plate. And I never knew that copper can charge things. So if you can charge your crystals and stuff like that from putting it on this plate, then that's extremely, extremely interesting. And I'm definitely going to look into that. Because I have so many crystals that I need to charge. And I'm trying to find the best way to charge them all than just, doing one at a time. Kind of like thing. Ooh, and I just noticed it has the moon phase in both little corners here. I love that. So that is really neat. A copper charging plate valued for $33. So I'm very, very interested in this product for sure. So now we have, it looks like there's a little deck, maybe like a deck of cards, stress reduction essentials. This right here says stress reduction essentials deck. These cards include healing techniques from 41 female artists who've channeled the gifts from their practices into beautiful art. Let me get this opened. Intuitively pick a card to expand your self-care routine and find peace within. Alrighty. That there says you can use coupon code GODDESS30 to save 30% off at ERESONANCESHOP.com. So that's the company that you can purchase this from, and Goddess30 will save you 30% off. So let's get this open. So again, here is the little box. The back of the box has all of that. And then here's what it looks like when you first open it up. So you have a little brochure right on top. And it just goes over the steps and the instructions. And then here are all of the cards. Let me get that off. Ooh, the artwork is super pretty. I love those colors. Look at it. The artwork is super, super pretty. And then the back, they say all different things. Color therapy, essential oils, journaling, community of friends. There's imagineering, laughter, energy centers, tapping, listing what to do in advance, a weighted blanket, cuddling. So there's all different things in here that you can go through for stress relieving. So you can pick a card and go from there. But I love getting any type of a deck. So I think that's really neat that we did get a card deck in here, and it's something that I've never heard of or seen. So that's really neat as well. I love getting new things because I'm so intrigued and I have a lot to learn. So the more that I get, the more I can learn. So I love it. So then down inside of here will be the last item. It does look like that's like the chakra. And this says, okay, it is. It's a rainbow chakra wand. Use this pointed wand for energy work. It's the perfect tool to balance and align the chakras. And that is valued for $18. Now, one thing that I do want to point out that I normally point out to you guys is they normally put one small, it's like valued from like $4 to $6 generally, one small crystal in the box every single month. And I've noticed they're not doing that anymore. So last month we had like a bigger crystal. This month we have this. I don't know if they're gonna now consider these like the normal crystal for the month, because before, if we had the little like $4 crystal, we would still get something like this in addition. That was a higher priced value. So I don't know what they're doing with that situation, but last month and this month we both had like a bigger crystal only. So I don't know what in the world they're doing, but I do like that we got a chakra point. I really do like that. So here, and it comes in a nice little pouch. And this is again valued for $18. This one doesn't say where it comes from. So I don't know if this is from Goddess Provisions, because normally they have their logo at least somewhere on the package if it is theirs, and there's nothing on here, nor does it say where to purchase it, because all these other three were Goddess Provisions products. So I don't know if this is a Goddess Provision product as well, but that doesn't say where to get it. So I'm going to assume that you can get this from Goddess Provisions. Now, the last thing in here, and I always kind of forget to tell you about it, is the digital downloaded bonus. This month, it says the 7 chakras. And then they gives you the passcode so you can download it. And then you can get access to a chakra guide that you can use as a map to understand the connection between your physical body, mindset, emotions, and energy. And that is a $12 value. And most of those, you can download them and you can actually print them out. So I've printed out several books from that. And then I always have them on hand and they're right there. So you can always do that as well. You can actually print it, or you can just leave it as a digital copy and you can look at it whenever you would like. This one being for the chakras, I definitely want to check that out because I'm so intrigued with the chakras and aligning our chakras and all of that kind of thing. So that is one that I will be checking out so I can learn more about. So that's awesome. So everything all together with the digital downloaded bonus, the total for this month's box will be right here. That'll be the grand total retail value of the products. I'm gonna quick recap. We have this stress reliever card deck. You have a chakra point. You have an incense holder. You have some incense, that is green tea and lavender. And then you have a copper charging board. So that is everything that came in this August box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came inside? I'm really excited. About 4 out of the 5, the incense, because of the lavender, I will not use. If it didn't have the lavender, then I pretty much would have used everything in this box this time, and that's amazing. I just don't care for these colors, but I gotta get over it because that's what they're made out of, and I just like the way that they look as far as like the symbols and everything on them. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this month's box. Yay! If you want a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, I will let you know right about now. You get 5 to 7, which we got 5 this time. You get 5 to 7 full-size products per box, typically between $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies. There's free shipping to the United States, but it does ship worldwide. Canada is $15 and international is $25 the last time I checked. The box is $33 per month, but you can get it as low as $27.75 if you were to go to like a full 12 month. I do have 3 and I believe 6 months in between. So the more months you pay for, the cheaper it will be for you. But if you just want month to month, it's $33 and free shipping to the United States. So for $33 and free shipping, I definitely feel you do get your value with these boxes every time. I will have them linked down below if you would like to check them out. You can pause or cancel at any time. Everything in these boxes are always going to be vegan and cruelty free. And what you can find is a mix of crystals, aromatherapy, you get beauty, spiritual growth tools, superfood, snacks, teas, that kind of thing. So that is everything that I have to show you for the August Goddess Provisions. Again, comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.